Yo, Key Nation, what's going on, man? It's your boy Emmanuel Ken, and today you see it in the title. I'm going to be going about exactly how to go viral on TikTok as a musician. I've accumulated a video with over 10 million views myself, so I got a little bit of credibility. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button so we moving, boy. Let's get it. Key Nation, what is going on, man? It's your boy Emmanuel Ken, and you see it in the title. I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to go viral on TikTok as a musician. I looked on YouTube, and I don't think there's anybody that's talking about this, so I figured let me talk about it. Even though this is an audio engineering channel, I do want to provide tips that helps my musicians, my artists, my creators, everything like that. So please stay tuned, listen to what I got to say, because like I said before, I got some credibility. So now, let me at least show you guys the video that I got over 10 million views. I'm very, very happy for it. I didn't know it was gonna get this many views, but it did. So let's show y'all. My God, yo, you good, bro? Hey, nah, fuck her, bro. What's wrong, bro? It's your girl? Yes. Word, what happened? Stop asking questions, man. Just play the shit. Who you talking to like that? Alright, I'm gonna play it. I'm finna charge you extra. You ain't finna be talking to me like that.
I try to please your relations, but I got fucked up. You gotta be addicted to these women, they get your luck up. I'm pretty sure if I tell you this, then I'm gonna get canceled. But fuck it, cause it's the truth, and I finally found the answer. You gotta be dark or honest and never show your emotion. And if you sympathize, then you do it with all your homies. You better not ever cry from the women, they won't respect you. They'll tell you to open up, when you do, then they gon' neglect you. I promise you'll be a bitch in their eyes, and I know firsthand. I played a nice guy for too long.
That got over 10 million views. I don't know how, but I mean it did, so I'm happy for it. So I figured let me go ahead and give y'all what I know on how to go viral on TikTok as a musician. Number one, I guess, is don't post original content. Don't post your original music and expect for it to go crazy, go stupid, dumb crazy, because it most likely won't. It won't. What you need to do is you need to go on TikTok, analyze different and other musicians and creators and see what they're doing specifically, all right? The reason why I say that is because how TikTok works is that there is an algorithm within TikTok to where if somebody does something and it goes off, TikTok is going to be like, okay, the audience likes this. We're going to push more of what this video is. So, for instance, I believe, I don't know what his name, is it Biddle Music? I forgot what his name was specifically, but there was an artist that created sneaking into studios, sneaking into major artist studios, sneaking into Cardi B, sneaking into Lil TJ, sneaking into Roddy Ricch, the Baby, sneaking into all these major artist studios and getting in on their songs. So whoever created that quote unquote trend made it and saw that it went up. TikTok saw, oh my goodness, people like this type of video. What we're gonna do is we're gonna push this to millions and millions and millions of people. Okay, cool. Everybody sees that. Now it's like, what do we do as artists who see that video? We recreate it. That's what TikTok is for. Why do you think people recreate skits? Why do you think people recreate different things that people do on TikTok, dances, everything like that? Because it's something that's ingratiated within the TikTok algorithm and people want to see it. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna do it, all right? Stop doing the original stuff. I'm not saying don't do it at all, because it's always great to be original, right? It's always great to think up of your own ideas and put it out on TikTok. It's always a good thing to do. However, is it gonna be beneficial for you when you first start off? No, it's not gonna do it, okay? So listen to what I got to say. Recreate what you see other artists doing if they are popping on TikTok. That's exactly what I did. I seen so many people do the when a depressed kid walks in on the track and starts rapping. I've seen so many artists do that already. So what did I do? I just put my own spin on it, put my own comedic factor on it, and put my own music in it, of course, and did it, right? Because I saw that it worked. So I figured, I don't know what that was. That was a weird type of snort thing. Should I edit that out? Nah, we genuine. I'm keeping that in there. Do exactly what you see other artists doing. It's beneficial, I promise you. Do exactly what you see other artists doing. You will go up. Now, next thing that I got for y'all is stay consistent. Don't stop posting. You may not be motivated because you don't see your views going up. You've posted at least 30, 40 videos and you don't see anything popping, and it's like, bro, when am I gonna go viral? When am I gonna have that moment? I see other people having that moment. I want that moment. I need this for me. I know. Okay? Just chill. The more that you do it, the more that you'll get acclimated to doing it, the more that you're gonna understand what the viewers like, what the viewers don't like. You're gonna increase your lighting, you're gonna increase your concepts, you're gonna you're gonna improve. That's the word I'm looking for. You're gonna improve your lighting, you're gonna improve your concepts, you're gonna improve everything about yourself and your TikTok profile. So just stick to it, stay consistent. You can only get better, all right? Don't trip over what everybody else is doing. Focus on you, how you doing it, and eventually your time will come if you stay consistent and you put in that hard work ethic and dedication. That's exactly what I did. I didn't know what I was doing on TikTok at first, okay? When I first started when I first started TikTok, I was doing YouTube interviews, and I ain't gonna lie, those went up. I went viral immediately, but that's because I already had years and years of experience with editing before. If you don't have years of experience of editing and you don't really know what to do, you don't know nothing about lighting, you don't know nothing about how to connect with your audience in terms of being in front of the camera, this is that and the third, you're not gonna do that well on TikTok at first. You have to do it over and over and over again so that after you do it, right, you grow. And that's what I'm trying to tell y'all right now. That's exactly what you need to do. You need to stay consistent. Keep posting content, think of different types of ideas on how to spin already created ideas, right? And then implement them, and I promise you, you will go up. Stay consistent, okay? Now, number 3, make sure you have good lighting. There are some TikToks out there that don't have great lighting and they still go up. There are some TikToks out there that don't have the best of quality and they still go up. However, you want to improve your chances and increase your chances of going viral. A good viral video most likely will have good quality. Come on, come back to me now. I need some type of, don't do that. Why don't you? My fault. Okay, you want to make sure that you increase the probability of you going viral, and for the most part on TikTok, videos that go viral have good lighting. They have good music. They have good quality of everything all around. So you want to increase that probability. That's exactly what you need to do for your TikToks, okay? Now, another thing that you guys can do in order to go viral on TikTok is make cover songs. Make popular cover songs, right? So the audience is very used to artists that's already in the limelight, that's already in the game. I know it sucks, but that's really what it is at the end of the day. We would love for the indie artists and the underground artists to just support us and what we got going on in our movement just as much as they support the artists in the limelight, but the reality of the situation is they don't, okay? And it's perfectly fine. That's how the world works. We as artists just have to adjust. How do we adjust? By doing the exact same thing that the relatable artists are doing, by doing the exact same thing that these world-renowned artists are doing, making cover songs. Why? Because it's relatability. The audience realizes, oh, this musician has remade a song that I love, has remade a song that I'll sing every day in my car. From J. Cole, from Cardi B, to Young Thug, to the Migos, it don't matter. Just recreate whatever they make, okay? And make sure that it sounds good, of course. Recreate what they make, put it out on TikTok. You then increase your abilities of going viral because it's relatable and people are like, oh, I heard this song. I love this song. That actually leads me into my next tip, bro. Relatability. How can the audience relate to what you're talking about? What does everybody do on an everyday basis? We got school. Everybody goes to school. We got work. Everybody goes to work. Dating, relationships, all of those pretty much carry a common denominator within themselves. You can talk about homework in class. You can talk about a bad employee at work. You can talk about your boyfriend, your girlfriend. every single one of those topics are relatable. They literally understand what you're talking about because they either have went through it or know somebody that has went through it. So talk about relatable topics within your music. If you talk about relatable topics within your music, you're gonna go up, bro. That's if you saw how I got 10 million views. I was talking about a relatable topic. It got 10 million views because I had a whole bunch of other dudes that was experiencing the same stuff that I was going through with my video. So I said, okay, I'm starting to understand this now. Relatable topics, man, that is a very, very important thing. Incorporate that into your music. That's actually a good way to incorporate original music within it, because even though audiences relate to major artists and world-renowned artists and artists that's already in the limelight, they also will relate to things that they go through personally within their lives. So that's a good way to push out your original music. Talk about school, talk about work, talk about relationships, talk about something that you know everybody else is gonna be like, dang, I know exactly what you mean by that, bro. I went through the same thing, okay? So those are my tips on how to go viral on TikTok as a musician. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys got anything else y'all want me to cover, please put it in the description. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Gang.